Welcome back to Primetime News. A special welcome to folks on OneSpotMedia.com and TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Normalcy has returned to the Norman Manley International Airport following a fire at the facility. Our reporter Dwayne Anderson was at the airport Friday evening and filed this report.
Fire trucks with sirens flashing, a smoke-filled departure lounge, and passengers watching on. A fiery emergency unfolded at the Norman Manley International Airport on Friday evening. The country's fire brigade chief was quick on the scene and explained they got an emergency call around 6:50 p.m.
Preliminary reports so far would have indicated that the fire is confined or was confined to chairs in one of the lounges. The fire has been extinguished as we speak, but there is some amount of backup smoke in the building.
Based on videos shared on social media by passengers, the fire appears to have started in an air conditioning unit. But still no official word if it was an electrical issue that caused the fire.
At this time we can't say exactly what would have caused the fire, but that is under investigation.
While at the airport up to minutes after 8 p.m. Friday, we watched as work crews tried to clear the smoke from the departure lounge using large fans. But while the smoke cleared, passengers remained unclear about their next move. They grew hungry, tired and thirsty. No information was shared with them.
We haven't heard anything, no one's told us nothing. So we're still waiting for a rep to come and speak to us because we don't know anything.
There's people standing here, they are dehydrating, there's no refreshment. They could just come out with a bit of water,
Their frustration soon boiled over and was directed at the police. Officers sought to assure them the ordeal would soon be over.
What to do? In short order, I'm certain the director will be speaking to you.
Hours later, an update from PAC Kingston Airport Limited, which operates Norman Manley International Airport. It said all flights are now operating as planned. The fire caused no major damage and an investigation has been launched into the incident. Passengers were also asked to verify their flight information directly with the airlines, as there may be other schedule adjustments unrelated to yesterday's incident. In fact, we were told only departures were impacted by Friday's blaze.
The airport continued to function in terms of landing, so because our crews can't move until they are told to do so by the traffic controllers.
It's been a tough month or so for aviation travel all across the world. There have been reports of airlines crashing, people dying, emergency landings. So it does appear Jamaica has been spared the worst as it relates to aviation emergency here this evening. We were told that within 45 minutes or so of this fire being reported, it was contained and put out. So the emergency protocols as it relates to fire here at the Norman Manley International Airport, it worked.
Generally, when there's a fire at the airport, as long as it involves the buildings, that's the responsibility of the Jamaica Fire Brigade to respond, and we'd have done so. Outside of that, where we may involve a plane then the airport firefighters will respond as first responders, then we will provide support.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.